Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to talk about a C program for typecasting. And guys, already I have provided some of solution in this playlist. So let me show you syllabus so you can understand what we are going to do in this playlist. And if you do all this video, like if you watch all this video and practice whatever question we will provide, then definitely you are going to be a basic expert of the C programming language. So guys, in this video playlist, we will discuss one by one all these questions. So we have already recorded this, provided video for first question, and now we are working on the second question. And same way we will provide solution for all these questions one by one. And this code will be provided on the Deep Codec Guru website, and link will be mentioned in video description as well as in the pinned comment. And at end we will also conduct different examination and contest. So in upcoming video we will mention all those details. And guys, if you have any other question related to C or any other programming, let us know in the comment section. We will definitely help you out. Okay, so please do share this playlist, C programming live capsule, with your friends and other person like junior, whoever interested to learn C programming. And shortly we are also planning to come up with basic theory questions, theory concept of C programming, and those will be very helpful to you also. So please keep on checking our playlist also. So without wasting any time, let us go forward and start with this typecasting. So typecasting, I hope you are aware about. Typecasting means, first let's discuss what is type. So I am here talking about data type. So that concept will be covered in the theory videos, theory tutorial. Just we assume you are aware about typecast. So basic concept like data type, there is data type like float, integer, string, like that. And there is, if we want to convert data from one type to another type, then that is typecasting. And typecasting is a two type. There is explicit typecasting and implicit typecasting. So implicit means they don't need any user like manual effort. You need not to mention anything for the typecasting. So it happens normally when you convert data from lower data type to the higher data type, like from integer to float. So that is implicit, it will work automatically. But if you want to convert float to integer, then that is higher to lower. So you have to mention explicitly that typecast. So let me do this programming and tell you and show you how it works. And if you have any question, then do ask. Okay. So now let's get started. So here we will discuss integer to float and float to integer typecasting, and then after char to integer and integer to char. So four typecasting example we are going to discuss here, and this is this is the header, and this is the basic structure of C programming. So those structure will be discussed in the upcoming tutorial playlist on the C. So I hope you are aware up to this. Now let's get started. So let's assume there is integer value a equal to, let's consider just consider a int, and b equal to, let's consider 10.8. okay. So sorry, make it float so it will be more clear to you. I am just trying to show you the example, and then I will mention what type of it is. And let's consider also like a equal to 2 and c equal to c, just declaration of c. That's it. So now we want something. Okay. So we want something that c equal to, we want half of that b. So b by a. Okay. So what must be output of this? Normally saying it output must be 5.4. right? So what I am going to mention? I am going to mention here printing that format specifier, and this is C is which type, integer type, so that is D, okay, and then after which value, C value we are going to print. So let's run and see what is the output. So it is just coming 5. That 0.4 is lost. So what is happening here? Here it is happening like typecasting. So this is doing the typecast from float to integer type, and we are using 0.4 value. So this is online compiler. So it even like some of like explicit typecast also includes some of the compiler. So it all depend on compiler to compiler. But normal understanding like normal, we have to mention like int. So as float is the higher b and we are dividing by the lower data type. So it must be here int and then it should be the 5. So either way it is working, but for your understanding it is, however we are mentioning that int or not, it is going to the typecast only. Let us assume another example, c equal to 10, okay, and b, okay, b just we are making one variable, okay. So now we are going to do something like b equal to, let's do this, b equal to how much? Audio. At end I will write every code, each and every line, so it will be very clear for you. Don't worry about that. I am just showing you the way. So B is float type, we make it F, okay. And now what we are going to print? B. So now what should be the expected value? Let's make it something a bit because it will come the same. So make it 11. 11 by 2. So how much it should come? 5.5, right? So let's see. It is giving 5 followed by 60. That is default digit for float data type. Okay. So it is here also we are losing 0.5. So how we can achieve that? So this is actually int by int. So it is returning only integer value and we are losing that value. So here we can apply typecast float. So this is explicitly we are now doing float. We are telling that compiler c by a, this is integer, but when you are returning that value to b, assigning that value to b, you have to convert in the float type. So now how this how much this result should be? So here you can see magic and that result is 5.5. So this way it is that happening with cast integer to float cast. Okay. So let me mention here into float. And another cast we are going to do float to int. Float to int. So how we can mention? I am making it very simple. Let us assume d. D equal to, okay, just put d and now float. Float e equal to how much value? So let us assume 5.62 and we just want to store that value in d. So d equal to we make e. So let's print e value and c. So here for better understanding, I will just mention b. Okay. So this will be more clear for you understanding. That's why I am mentioning like that. So here d value and d is integer type. So either I or d you can mention. That is format specifier and d. Fine. So let me run it. So you can D value, and here you can see it is coming in one line. So how you can break that line? You can use backslash n. So it will print in next line. So that you can also do. Okay. So this way we can discuss one by one. See. So D value, it is coming 5 by default. So it is happening typecast. So it is integer to like float to integer. It is implicit typecast happening. Okay. So it is coming 5. And if we let assume if we have another variable f, then if we assign d value to f, then how much it will come? D value to f. Then how much it will come? It is float type. Okay, let's assume we also print that. Let's print that. Okay, I am doing this. Edit. You don't do copy paste like this. Yeah, and this is float type, and we are going to print f value. Guys, how much it will come? That f value. Yes, you are right. It will come 5 followed by 0, 6, 0. Why? Because we have already lost here that 0.62 value. So it happened. But when we assign that the E to F, then how much it will come? It will not lose that value. Yes, you are right. It will not lose that value because that data type is there. This is the default like key, that 6 digit followed by decimal will return in float specifier, so it is coming. So it is a float to integer, and even I showed how it is making difference. So I hope you are clear up to this. Now I am going for another cast. So which char to means character to char to int. Okay, char to int. So let's consider char a. Char a equal to, let's assume, a. Fine. And we want int b equal to a. So it may throw error. So let's see it is throwing error or not, because declaration we are doing same scope, we are doing multiple declarations. So that is not allowed. We can declare same variable twice in a same scope. So going forward, when we provide like tutorial video on theory of C, so there we will discuss all those scope. So we have to declare another thing. So F means we have to G. Okay. So that variable is not declared, and now it will not throw any error. So I am also showing that also. Now let me print S value and C. So S is integer type D, and I will print S. So which value I am printing? S value, and I want to line to be break. So backslash n and semicolon. Okay, semicolon. Sorry. So you can see S value is 2. So why it is S value is 2? It is returning. We have assigned a. Sorry, a. So it is working from here. Sorry, apology for that. I have to make it 0. Okay. So we are making this, and now you can see it is returning 65. So what is this 65? 65 is ASCII value of a, character a. I hope you are aware about ASCII value. If you are not, then let me know in the comment section. Definitely I will provide video on ASCII value while providing playlist on basic of C. Okay, so it is returning that value, and if we add to, what it will return? What it will return? Any guess? Will it return C or something? It will return 67, and 67 is C value also. So if I change here just a specifier, so it will return C. Let's see. You can see C. So here actually typecast from C to like character to integer and integer to character is also here implicit. Okay. So here we are just making like char to integer. So I will mention I, and one more example I am attaching here integer to char. So when you are also writing like any lab program, then it will be very easy for you. So I am writing this way. I equal to, okay, let's assume 68 or, okay, fine, or 98 we can mention, and char j equal to height. So now we are going to print which value dear? J value. Percentile, which specifier we have to use? C, because we are doing integer to character, and J. Fine. So what J value will come? It will come a small b. But here it is again coming in the same line. So we have to use a backslash n for next line, so that we can do those decoration. So it is returning b. So here it is working implicitly in this conversion. So some compiler it doesn't. So there you can mention like something like that int or something, or char, like that. So it is char, so you can mention like char. This way you can mention. So nothing wrong in that using like that. Here it is integer, so you can mention int. So like that you can do, and it will return the same. Okay. So this way you can go here, and let me know if you have any doubt, any confusion, anything, and definitely I will be replying you out and helping out. Please watch all the video from the playlist, and remaining video will be provided in subsequent coming videos. So please do like the channel and subscribe the channel if and only if you are finding this content as useful and valuable for you. And please share this video with your friends and juniors. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Happy learning, dear. Have a good day.